Alright guys, wanted to show you another video here. This one is the Sportback RS5 2021 in that Tango red metallic. I love what they did with the new headlight design. Looks absolutely gorgeous. If you kind of dive in a little deeper, got some like metal looking blades in there with the RS signature vent there. Radars, I like this little vent as well. But absolutely gorgeous. That new facelift, the black roof, loving the red. The nice black wheels, the red calipers. I'll take you guys in on the interior as well. See the metallic in the paint. RS, black mirror caps. Black fin in the back. The new valance looks awesome. The honeycomb, all blacked out badges. It has some nice lines, some nice hips. Similar to the new e-tron GT coming out. Alright guys, and then this one has the Black Optics Launch Edition for 2021. Got the RS, honeycomb stitching in red. Seat belts got the red on it. Embossed RS logo. I love what they did with the carbon fiber. Instead of having the traditional gloss, you got the nice matted out carbon, all suede. So the Alcantara, they did a full Alcantara steering wheel. And then that nice 10.1 inch touchscreen. No more MMI knobs. And they got the Bang & Olufsen. And the door cards have, again, that nice dry carbon. Red stitching. And then again, the Bang & Olufsen with the Audi beam ring for sport. Audi Sport. Kind of making our way to the back. Again, some more of the Alcantara, the dry carbon, the Bang & Olufsen. And it looks like you could do 3 passengers back here. And then this one even has heated back seats, climate control. Looks like some UPC chargers. Alright, then what I love is even though it's an RS, still has the kick function as long as you have the key on you.
Oh yeah,
And a lot of cargo space there. Seats can go down. You can drop the center separately. Alright guys, and like you can see, you got the full Alcantara. You can hit the RS button. Got RS1, RS2 mode. And again, you got readouts for the G meter. You'll actually get your tire pressures on this car. You got music, you got cell phone. You got the map, you can zoom in and out using this. View makes the gauges bigger or smaller. And this one's got a ton of views you can switch up. This is more like the RS style. But you can have one big map. menu. You can search last destinations. And again, all I'm doing is just using all these controls. Music, you can scroll up and down. You can hit off to the left there, AM, FM, off to the left, it'll go back. Then you got this screen, so now with the 10.1 inch, everything's touch. And this is kind of your main menu there, or you can slide over. You got all your different icons. You can basically hold them like an iPhone and then move them anywhere you want. But a lot of it's voice activated, so you can tell it to switch a station, navigate to a certain address. But it's got a cool little function. You can type away there, you can write.
Audi.
Super responsive. Charger, there we are. Concord, California. Dry carbon. Drive modes, it has park assist, love that feature. Just press that button. And you got the full Alcantara shifter. Another wireless charger. These seats can extend. Just gotta reach over. They do have massage function as well. I'll show you that. You press the little button on the side of the seat, and this pops up, and you can pick between them, the intensity of it, and that's about it. Hope you guys liked the video. Get yourself an RS5. This thing's awesome.